Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for 2025. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer BNB from Coinbase to XMO. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and XMO. If you haven't already, download the apps or head to their websites and complete the verification process. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Once you're logged into Coinbase, navigate to your wallet section. Look for BNB in your asset list. If it's not there, you might need to buy or deposit it first. Now, select BNB and choose the Withdraw or Send option. This is where things get exciting. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address from XMO. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Copy the address directly from your XMO account to minimize errors. Next, specify the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, with advancements like Layer 2 solutions, fees might be lower, but they can still add up. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the destination address and estimated arrival time. Hit confirm, and you're on your way. After initiating the transfer, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour for the BNB to show up in your XMO wallet, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into XMO and verify that your BNB has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set to trade or hold. Remember, the crypto world is always changing, so stay vigilant against scams and keep your accounts secure with two-factor authentication. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.